Tower, Eagle Flight 4811 is about 6 mile visual for 4 left.
Eagle Flight 4811 Boston Tower, wind 360 at 10, runway 4 left, clear to land. Caution, jet blast, Boeing 757, about to depart, runway 9er.
Okay, clear to land 4 left, Eagle Flight 4811.
2038, turn left there, contact ground point 9er, good day.
Ground, Citrus 903.
Citrus 903, Boston ground.
Hey, it's just going to be a few minutes for us. We got a little snag here at the gate.
Citrus 903, advising ready for pushback.
We'll call you Citrus 903.
Ground America 145, heavy to taxi, and we need runway 4 right.
US Air 1929er, clear for takeoff, runway 33 left, service wind 317 at 10. Clear for takeoff, runway 33 left, US Air 1929er. Tower, Logan 4968, ready for IFR departure, runway 33 left, Logan 4968, hold short, runway 33 left, traffic is Airbus A319, upwind. US Air 1929er, contact Boston, departure on 127.2. 127.2, US Air 1.